In this video, I will be showing you how to create attractive thumbnails for YouTube videos, or you can say awesome YouTube thumbnails. So, because I have been getting requests regarding my how do I create my YouTube thumbnails, I will show you in this video a step-by-step tutorial, and I will in fact make the thumbnail of this video in front of you guys in this video. So you have to bear me because I'm going to create a step by step here. So let me show you some of my YouTube thumbnails, because so that you can also have an idea on what kind of a thumbnails I create. And you can see here I have been getting a lot of praises that your thumbnails are too good. And you know what, good thumbnails are essentially important in improving your YouTube channel presence. So because people are more likely to click on those videos which have attractive thumbnails. So I will be showing you how you can create attractive thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So you can see some of these here. You can see my latest thumbnails here, and you know, some have been caught, like even some of my videos were able to caught viral just due to attractive thumbnails. So which is why, and I try always to be different every time, and you can see diversity here. So I will in fact create one in front of you guys, so you guys have in fact an idea on how I'm creating. So for those who don't know, I'm using Canva for this, and I will be using Canva for this purpose, because Canva is actually a very good tool for image editing, image creations, banners, thumbnails. I mean, it's a all-in-one graphic designing tool for me. You know, previously I was stuck on how to create a good design, and actually Canva helped me in creating not good but great designs. So I will be creating a good design in front of you, and you guys have to bear with my slow connection here. But so this is my dashboard of Canva, and it's very easy. Let me make myself smaller so you guys can see it easily. So here you have to go. That is the option third, YouTube thumbnail. In case if it's not coming in front of you, all you have to do is you have to write it over here, YouTube thumbnail, and here you can create YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now they are giving me various ideas in case it depends on my niche, and they have around 11,000 suggested templates which can help you in creating a very good thumbnail for you. So let's say if I search YouTube thumbnail right now over here and go with a simple one, and we can opt for the designs later on by opting for a design. You can see that they have ample of good designs, and all I have to do is edit one and make one. For instance, if I because this video is going to be about how to create an attractive YouTube thumbnail. So for that, probably something like this can work. This can work, or even this can work as well. But you know, I do not have a picture like this. I'm surprised how I do not have a picture right now like this, and I have to create one for my channel. But right now you can see the templates here. One of my videos using this template, one is this using this. Even I was using this for one of my video, but I have changed it. I also keep on experimenting, doing A/B tests with my thumbnails to figure out which of the thumbnail is working well for me, depending upon week to week performance of each thumbnail. That eventually helps you, because analytics helps you in growing your YouTube channel, for which I'm very concerned, because you guys are not subscribing to my channel. So I have to be worried about my YouTube analytics and how I can improve it. So okay, because I mostly search about business, which is why it is showing me templates related to business. But here I have options of many ideas, and I can offer many things. For instance, if I select the bold one, I can go with this one, and I can select with aesthetic, and I will remove this. I mean, not this, but aesthetic. So you can see that the designs are being changed, and not only this, see, let's say Okay, you can see that the designs are being changed, and you can choose anyone for yourself. But right now this is about how to create an attractive YouTube thumbnail. So I probably like to go with something creative. Let me see here on this can also be a good option. Okay, there is another thing that I have to see and determine. I also, whenever I'm creating on a specific topic, I go on YouTube and search for the keyword I'm trying to make my thumbnail on, to see what my competitors are doing. So for instance, if I open YouTube in front of you and let me search how to make YouTube thumbnails and see how to make attractive thumbnail for YouTube videos, to see how other people are creating YouTube thumbnails. Okay, to be really honest, I mean, this is the most attractive to me thumbnail, and let's figure out more. This is also slightly attractive. Okay, for those who don't know, the search results varies and gets changed for country to country, year your past history and how do you search. So don't worry if your results are different than mine. So this gets me an idea on how what my competitors are doing. Okay, this is actually the good one, but let me search more, because Canva has ample of design. Even this is a very good one. This design is a very good one. If you are a doctor, this is a template for you. I mean, they have so many options: tutorial, business. I'm just a feminine, I can select here and remove this, and I can get very good ideas, very good uh, options. So many categories. Let's say if I have a video related to fitness, you can see the thumbnails related to fitness are also very good. You can see weight loss, women, very good, very attractive. All you have to do is you have to change your face and a little bit on heading, and it's all yours. For instance, if I want to make this mine, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna change my face here. Let's say remove her, and from the uploads, I can put myself over here. Okay, I know it doesn't sound good. A daily workout fitness wearing a guy with a pen coat. So it doesn't make, but you can do anything here. Daily workout fitness, fit now. You can do anything. You can change the font or add more things. You can even add elements from here. You can see they have provide elements, arrows, logos, whatever you wanna add. I mean, it's too good to for me, and I can like create very good thumbnails to this. So let's move on this one. Okay, this one is I have personally chosen for this video. So I have to write how to create attractive. Now let's move on with 80. Okay, I will move a little bit here. Okay, Okay, perfect. Now what I have to do is just have to change my picture from here, and okay, this one sounds decent, like wearing a pen coat, but you know, I can choose any picture I want. Let's say, let me be here, and I can even change myself from here. I can be like this. Okay, this one is more better. Okay, I can even do further things. Let's say if I have to uh, I add an effect here. For instance, if I wanted to make a background here, like I can do this. This sounds more attractive, and for this effect as well. How does this sound? Okay. Let's new. Okay. Okay, this sounds perfect. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to write my name for this. So and let's download this. Okay, I personally use JPG, but you can also use PNG for thumbnails. You cannot use MP4 for that. So here you go, and just have to press this down. So yeah, you can see here I was able to create an attractive YouTube thumbnail for you guys. This is a live demonstration of how I created thumbnail for this video, and how you guys can create your own attractive thumbnail. You know, creating a thumbnail is not difficult at all, and with the help of Canva, it has made things very easy for anyone who even have a little bit of knowledge can create awesome thumbnails on Canva for their YouTube channels. And if you have good attractive thumbnails on your YouTube channel, this can help you in growing your channel, because in case if your videos are being preferred more, how YouTube is going to find and on how many people are clicking on your YouTube videos, and the more attractive your thumbnail is, more people will click on your videos, and that is how YouTube will suggest your video to other people as well, and that is how you will be able to get more views for your YouTube channel. So do not take anything easy, neither your video content nor your YouTube thumbnail. So focus on them. And I hope you like my video. In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to that. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I will be waiting for you guys to subscribe. With this I end my video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.